Now, we've heard stories of pain in Black River, St. Elizabeth, but this evening we bring you a different side to life in the town post-Hurricane Melissa. Ramarda Lyons reports.
Nightfall in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Eerily silent roadways and stillness. Even in the dark, Melissa's footprints of devastation are obvious. But it's not all doom and gloom. Some people have found a reason to smile or care. 7:30 p.m. Tuesday saw the realities of three men on Market Street. First up, the father in the car at the side of the road. The pull factor, Starlink. Our team tested it and it works.
With no like stress, I have three little nutmegs where you have to try entertain them. You have to come find the Starlink to find Netflix, something to keep them occupied. So I try to download something for them right now. So it's great. We can link with people overseas, make them know they're still alive. They're there and everywhere. We're glad for it. We're glad for it. Of course.
He told me he was there for about 45 minutes. He got the chance to scroll, and the children happy to be outside in the fresh air. He says things are bad, and so it's a well-needed distraction for the family.
The way the world is going right now with technology, you get 1 inch of technology that can release a bit of stress. Trust me, brother, now get man on it like a little scrap. Now make it pass. So Starlink and a little link, we're linked. Me and Starlink is linking.
No matter how dark the night, one thing's for sure, the sun will rise again. What you can be even more sure about is that he's not leaving without downloading some movies.
I get them little show so you know, say, when I go home, them little nutmegs there, them will be alright. And them have them little thing to watch. So it's good. It's good when we can get a little ease, a little Starlink ease, so we can communicate same way. Like a mash up, you know, but yeah, go on.
And let's make it clear, the enjoyment is not just for the children.
This is Insta.
Oh, Instagram.
Yeah, man, Instagram. I know Instagram, you make you can communicate with the people them and talk. And reason make them know, so you know, I'm not dead, but I'm still alive. So it's good. It's good when they can communicate. For free internet, Starlink.
That wasn't the only joke for the night. We found this resident of Black River. He met our videographer, whose name is Ivan. And what
Ivan is a wicked man too.
Why is that?
Because Ivan a hurricane. But him never so bad like she.
She who?
What's your name?
Not Macaulay.
Not me.
Oh, I know you name. What's your name?
Melissa, yes.
That girl, they're terrible. That girl, they take away everything. That girl, they're not left with nothing. Oh, God, they give you life, you know. Big up TVJ.
This man is hunting. His father is ill at home, and he's searching for food.
You look at them. So you get them teeth back. You see my bag on my shoulder? I can't lift your inch. Because as you put it down, it's gone. You see at night time, a ghost town. You see an idea? Only for people move. But we don't have no Black River. But we have a billet back. With love and joy. Yeah? A God's work.
And then there was another. Farther down the road, a man alone in the dark. When I inquired, he was thinking about the safety of others. This hole at the side of the road caught his attention.
I'm glance it through my eyesight and I know them dangerous and the deck of some of them not pack. It don't go cover. So while it cover and break out like this, you really have to check the deck. So I don't know, you have to really international check it because children can drop in like big people can drop into missing. Road searching for them in the home and can't find them, then make a loophole here. Really dangerous.
And then a reminder that life is a process. New careers in the making. A JUTC bus with recruits arriving at the Black River police station. As he put it earlier,
We have a billet back. We love and joy.
Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.